Yo man, how you doing? How you doing? In this video, I'm gonna literally show you me trade live. Okay, I'm gonna hop into the live markets really soon, and the reason why I record these kind of videos is to just bring some transparency into the trading industry, because you know there's a lot of fluff in the industry. A lot of people just talking shit, claiming that they use a strategy but they never actually show them trade live. But you know, there wasn't videos like this. That's why I had to lose for 2 years, and you know, then I turned profitable. I had the right guidance. Now I've been profitable for over 2 years, making money consistently in these markets. So I'm literally gonna go into the market. It's gonna be 9 a.m. Eastern time, and the session will open at 9:30 a.m. Eastern time. And this is officially gonna be my first trading day of the month, because I don't trade on Mondays. It's gonna be Tuesday at this moment that I'm speaking. But you know, enough talking. Let's just get into the market. Session is about to open. I'm just going to get this started, and yeah, I'll see you in the markets. All right, I sold the markets, sold it from here, following this downtrend to here. Guys, I'm gonna take a little bit from this trade because I over-risked a little bit accidentally. But guys, stops to be. Alright, I closed. Guys, it was literally my biggest day. Trade recap for today. I took this one trade, biggest trade so far. Very nice. I actually risked too much a little bit accidentally. Check these pips wrong. That's cool. I took partials, mini partials from here, and then I just, you know, let it run here. But essentially, let's do this recap, guys. So on the weekly market analysis, I said that since we took out like weekly lows right here, I want to see on Tuesday. Now it's Tuesday. This was my first trading day of the month for me. I don't trade on Mondays, but right here I said if we see respect on Tuesday to the upside from this liquidity to here, then I'm going to look for buys. But now that I checked, literally it didn't respect the liquidity. It wanted to take more, and now we literally took like monthly top and lows, which is nothing to play with. That's why I'm going to call it a day for now. Took a very nice trade to the sell side, but now took a monthly top and lows. Nothing to play with. This is huge liquidity, could potentially create a full-on reverse and create all-time highs. We'll have to obviously see. When the session opened, I saw this constant respect to the downside. Okay, broke structure in the 5 minute to the downside. Okay, then session opened, right? 9:30 a.m. Eastern time. There's a lot of, we can literally see the volume dump. Okay, volume increases in the markets, candles start to get bigger. That's cool. We took out this 50-minute low. We create this retracement from this 50-minute low to tap into the 5-minute bearish order block, which is this mini up candle right here. We tapped into that, and that was like, okay, that's gonna give us a lot of momentum to the downside, because it respects the bearish order block right here, which is this mini up candle. Why is it an order block? Because we broke structure right here, and the up candle, the last up candle after the break structure to the downside, is gonna be our bearish order block. This 50-minute low right here was just what I call a retracement tool, which it momentarily reacted off of that just to tap into this order block and then continue down. I know that may sound like rocket science, but it's not. Okay, that's why we have to wait and see the reaction. Okay, then I just continue. We continue down, right? Broke structure once. The reason why I didn't enter, because it kind of messed this it was kind of huge down candle to break structure, right? I didn't want to enter yet, so I wanted to wait for another BOS, right? And look at this, we actually tapped into this 1 minute order block straight after that, respected that, because obviously in every single time frame when there's a break structure, the last up candle is going to be the bearish order block, right? Tapped into that, broke structure once more. I took this, I risked too much accidentally. That wasn't the plan, but you know, that's why I took like mini partials from here, just to kind of even it out, right? And then we tapped into the break even right here, which means just stops will be like secure the trade. We respected downtrend, naturally lower lows, lower highs, low lows, lower highs, and our low lows. And now I'm not gonna look for any more trades for today, because we literally took sell side monthly liquidity. We're talking about monthly lows, which is some huge liquidity, and there's a huge chance it will start to reverse from here. And now this is the live market. But yeah, that was the trade. That was the trade recap. Yo man, what an amazing way to start the new trading month, new trading week, with the biggest trade of my entire life, 3K. And you know, I'm just saying, this is not to flex, but this is just the aftermath of locking in, okay? Aftermath of staying consistent, staying, you know, focused and disciplined, and just, you know, going through it all. You know, I had to go through my ups and downs before. I had to lose for 2 years. I struggled with risk management, psychology, strategy, everything in it, and now I've been profitable for 2 years, and this is just the beginning, okay? I've said this before, but big days are coming up. Just the beginning, and this is just a motivation to you as well. But listen, man, me and you, we're gonna conquer trading. We're gonna make a lot of money. We're gonna literally conquer the trading industry, because, you know, fuck all these gurus who just lie to our face, talking shit and not actually trading live in the markets. If you're with me, comment down below, conquer, okay? If you made it this far, comment down below, conquer. That's how I know you made it this far. But man, amazing way to start the month, and let's get it started. Okay, man, as usual, I will see you on the other side. Peace out.